All right, I want to show you guys these awesome pry bars that I just got from Wrangler. These are premium pry bars. You know when you put something in your hand and you know that it's just cheaply made? Well, this is not one of those. When you put it in your hand, it was crafted with somebody that knows about the industry, and that it just has that really, really good feeling in their hand. And you get 2 of them. What a great opportunity, because we're renovating this trailer. We're just finishing up this bathroom behind me, but what a great opportunity to have the tool that you need. Now, one of the things that I like is that they thought of everything. So you have a bolt right here, like if you need to get a bolt off or a nut off right here, you can ratchet that down. They have a scraping tool, so if you're scraping off stuff, which is what I'm going to be doing here in a little bit, I need this to scrape the roof of my RV to reseal that RV. But the tool that I need right this second, which you have a lot of, are nail and staple pulling tools. Plus, if you're going to do some demoing, this would be great. I actually have another pry bar, but whenever I would stick it in there, and then when you'd whack it with a hammer, if you needed to whack it down, this grip, I noticed that when I was doing that with my other one that didn't have this grip, my hand would vibrate. And I was like, okay, well, I did that for years, but this grip is premium grip. And so when I would stick this on there and I'd have to hammer it in, my hand wouldn't vibrate. That's just something that I didn't know that was gonna happen, but it actually did. So that's really cool. It's like, you just know that the person putting this tool together knows every little thing about the tool. And it's kind of nice to have that, where you don't usually get that very often if you're just buying something random. All right, so let's see how it actually works. All right, so if you get a bolt that's just stubborn to come out, you can get it started with this thing. It's going to be able to get down there and grab that bolt that just gets stubborn to get out. I love this little attachment right here. These Wrangler tools, they thought of everything. So if this bolt's a little stubborn, you can just kind of cinch it down and get it started like that, especially if you've stripped the screw head right there. Just one tool and get it started, and then you can come over and then get it out the rest of the way. I mean, it's pretty cool. And then also they give you 2 of these right here. So let's just say this is a little stubborn to get out. You can just use this as your leverage tool right here and then pull that nail right out. Now, I love these tools because not only do they feel great in the hand, do they look good, but they get the job done too. And I can't say enough about having a tool that does multiple different things. So if you're in the market for a small pry bar tool, I would definitely recommend adding this to your toolkit, because it is just high quality made, premium in the hands. I love the anti-vibration pad that you get right here if you're gonna really whack at it. And it just feels like it's not chintzy, or it's not gonna break on you at all. And they thought of everything that you might need to get the job done for a scraper, pry bar, and a nail remover tool.